Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. I just got these Dell ultra-wide 49-inch monitors for work, and I wanted to show you guys what they look like in real life. This is our control center. This is where we monitor the streets and the cameras throughout the city. These are the Dell UltraSharp U4924DW. Before we got these monitors, we were using three 27-inch monitors. They got the job done, but we recently got some grant money and we wanted to upgrade the control center with monitors that were more modern. We really like the 49-inch monitors because they're ultra sharps and has a maximum resolution of 5120 by 1440. They also have a very thin bezel, so you can't really see the edges. The monitor also supports dual quad HD mode that provides vivid screen colors and maximum sharpness. The monitor weighs about 45 pounds. I was very impressed with the product packaging, which included about 10 or 15 pounds of cardboard. It is pretty heavy, so make sure you have a friend help you out. Unlike other brands, there's no styrofoam in the packaging, which makes it more environmentally friendly. You also get different cables for your video, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and USB-C. Monitor is also calibrated before leaving the factory. They include the color profiles for your reference. There are two different mounting methods for the monitor. It comes with this heavy-duty, professional-looking stand. It's very easy to set up and will snap to the back of your monitor. It only consists of two parts, the base and the neck. They are pretty heavy, so you don't have to worry about your monitor tipping over. Let's take a closer look at the monitor itself. To prevent dents and scratches during transit, there are two layers of protection covering the screen. There's this cushy bag here, and they have a thin layer of bubble wrap in the front. Make sure to read the instructions printed on the bag. It shows you step by step on how to take the monitor safely out of the box. All the video input and power sources are in the back over here. They're labeled for easy identification. To take the monitor out of the box, just snap in the stand like this and then just lift it out of the box. Make sure to use both hands when you're carrying the monitor. Once you're at the location where you want to put the monitor, remove the cushy bag and the bubble wrap layer in front of the screen. It does have a matte finish, so you don't have to worry about glare. Whenever I get monitors, I always look for dead pixels. When I tested out this monitor, I did not find any. However, if you do find some, Dell's pretty good about it and will send you a replacement monitor if there's more than 3 dead pixels on the screen. The monitor does use a standard power plug. Just plug it into the port here. The monitor itself doesn't have much of a curvature, which is great for a professional business environment. So if you like working with flat screens, you're going to love this monitor. When you first power on the monitor, it's going to go through a setup process. There's a mini joystick in the back that controls the on-screen display. From there, you can set the refresh rate, the language for the screen menus, and the power option for the USB-C ports. Let me show you this really nice feature in the front. If you use a lot of USB-C devices, there's this hidden USB-C hub here. It's spring activated and will hide when it's not in use. And if your tabletop isn't flat, the monitor can tilt 5 to 21 degrees forward and backwards and 170 degrees on the sides. This monitor also uses white LED lights, which is why it has those vivid colors and sharp images.